If you've been seeing Kled AI everywhere and wondering whether it's actually a legit side hustle or just another platform collecting your data, here's my take after looking into it. Kled AI lets you earn rewards by helping train artificial intelligence. You complete tasks like recording short voice clips, taking photos, or answering simple prompts. The work itself is pretty straightforward, and it's nice that you don't need any special skills to get started. Now, the good part is that it appears to be a real platform, and some users have successfully earned payouts. But don't expect to replace your full-time income. The amount of work available can vary a lot depending on where you live, and some tasks disappear quickly. My biggest concern is privacy. Since many tasks involve your voice, photos, or other personal information, it's important to understand exactly what you're agreeing to before submitting anything. Always read the consent details and avoid sharing more than you're comfortable with. So, is Kled AI legit? I'd say yes, but with realistic expectations. It's best viewed as a small side hustle rather than a reliable income source. If you're comfortable with the privacy trade-off, it could be worth trying. Just don't expect easy money.